Welcome guys back and happy holidays. And today we're going to make a super warm, super comfy, super beautiful, and of course super easy cowl. That is a matching cowl for my hat. You can find this hat as well on my blog and channel. Uh, and let's attach here this beautiful tag. So I like this texture because it reminds me a knitting texture, but this time it is a crochet ribbon that can be used not only for cowls but hats and sweaters. For the cowl I was using 9mm crochet hook and Lion brand yarn wool is thick and quick, and it is a super bulky yarn and I needed exactly 340 grams. So this is the big ball, or you can use two small balls. If you don't have a super bulky yarn, please use bulky yarn or crochet in two strands of yarn. So if you are ready, let's get started. Make a slip knot and cast on 30 stitches, and please cast on stitches as loose as possible. Don't pull yarn tight, as loose as possible, because the ribbon will make the cowl at the end less than the chain. And I will show you for how many centimeters it will be less. So as loose as possible if you want to get that stretchy texture. 14, 15. Okay, 30 stitches. Now I'll show you how many centimeters it is. So it is about 35, 36 centimeters. Make it chain 1, and in the second chain from hook, make a slip stitch and go on making slip stitch till the end of row, like this. Slip stitch, slip stitch. This is basically one stitch that you need to know to make this cowl. And don't forget, as loose as possible here, as loose as possible. Okay, and the last one. That's what you have now, and let's measure it again. And you will see that it got smaller. Now it's 33 centimeters instead of 35, so it is 2 centimeters or even more, 3 centimeters less. It was 36. Chain one, and now you're going to into the second chain and through the back loop only go on making slip stitch all the way across, slip stitch through the back loop only, and that's it. You're going to repeat the second row as many times as you need. So in my case, I repeat until I have about 1 meter tail from that big skein of yarn, or it the cowl, the circumference of this cowl have to be about uh, circumference 60 centimeters, or width 30 centimeters. But it's actually up to you how you want it to be. Through the back loop till the end. And yes, don't forget and never lose the last stitch. It's always hiding here inside, otherwise you will have a wavy edges. Let's measure it one more time. Okay, 32.5. Almost the same, a little bit less. Chain one and go on. Repeat the row number two. Skip one stitch and into the next stitch through the back loop, make a slip stitch. Slip stitch. And go on till the end through the back loop until desired length. Okay, welcome back. I've done 30 centimeters width or circumference 60, and I have just about 1 meter tail, maybe a little bit more. And now I'm going to join two edges. So make a chain one, insert the hook into the front loop of the fabric that is closest to you, and underneath the chain on the other side. yarn over and pull it through both loops and stitch on the hook. And go on, insert into the next loop and underneath the next chain, yarn over and pull through all loops. Like this. Like this. And go on till the end. That's how it looks. And let's look on the right side. Let me turn it right side up like this. Pretty well. I like it. So that's basically it. The cowl is ready and it's super warm and will protect your ears and neck from wind, snow, and even rain. Thank you so much for joining me. Please like this tutorial and subscribe to my channel. And I wish you all the best and happy holidays. See you soon. Bye.